Hi students, we're going to continue today to work on our StoryCorps project in preparation for that final project for ELS class. So if you forgot, the final project for ELS class is going to be to interview somebody in your household and learn about their story. It can be done in English or Spanish, and we're going to listen to a few more examples today. StoryCorps is a national organization we talked about last class that focuses on archiving and recording over 45,000 American stories. And my push for you today is to think like, why do stories matter? For example, how would our world be different if we only heard stories from white American men versus hearing stories from all the diverse people that make up America? Do we hear everyone's stories equally would be another question I have for you. But we're going to spend a lot of time thinking about stories and why they matter and why we should value each other's stories. So two people that have really focused on storytelling and think it's really important are Barack and Michelle Obama. Since they left the White House, they started a filmmaking company that supports filmmakers in producing stories and films about people's stories. So we're going to watch a little clip of a conversation they had with Stephen Bogner and Julia Reichert, who made a film that they sponsored about a closing factory in their town in Ohio. So they're just going to have a conversation with these filmmakers about why stories matter. After you watch this video, complete this do now, and then you'll see there's another video down below for the direct instruction. Thanks so much. The movie, if you want to watch it on Netflix, is called American Factory. Thanks and good luck with the do now.